Hi everybody, welcome to Beauty Buzz with Lori. So I am very excited to give you guys more information about the new biocellulose mask called Neo Restore by Neocutis. This mask is absolutely amazing. So just a little bit about some of the ingredients. It has their original proprietary blend of peptides in it. It also has their hyaluronic acid in it, and it has the high and low molecular weight. So that's hyaluronic acid is the larger weight, which sits on the surface and creates that seal for that hydration, and then the hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, and that's the low molecular weight. So what that does is it penetrates the upper layers of tissues and goes into the dermis, and then from there it helps to draw your other products and moisture down into those tissues in the dermis. We've been testing it here in the office, and so here's what we have found. With microneedling, what it does is it cuts your post-treatment in over half, so it removes the redness. It says in the instructions that it removes redness by day 3. It's better. It removes redness in 1 day. That was our experience with this mask. So Rosie, whom most of you know here in the office, had microneedling with me, and then 24 hours after she had her microneedling, she put one of these masks on. She took a picture before she put it on, and she took a picture after she put it on. She sent me these pictures, and in the second picture after the mask, she had no redness. Now, let me give you a little bit of context. Rosie stays red for up to 4 days after microneedling with me. And she also tends to flake and peel a little bit from that and have that exfoliation process. With this, she got all of the wonderful benefits of microneedling. She cut her downtime into 24 hours basically. This has just been absolutely amazing. I have used it with add-ons to hydrofacials. It could also be used post-laser treatments. Pretty much it's usable on any level. It feels amazing. It's a little heavier weight than a lot of your sheet masks. It has that silicone-y feel, but the main thing is it restores hydration and then helps with that post-care. But you don't have to use it just for post-care. You can use it also just for the hydration aspect. So I have a few patients who, no matter what we do, they always have some of those dry patches that we cannot get to the root cause of. I've been using this on them, incorporating it into their hydrofacials, and they have been loving it. They've been texting and calling back and saying they just can't believe how soft their skin feels, how supple it looks, and then also the textural changes. Keep in mind, whenever something's hydrated, it looks more supple. It removes some of those fine lines. So again, this is just amazing. I'm stunned with how wonderful it is, and I hope that you're going to love it too. So next time you get a hydrofacial or you are doing any of our treatments here in the office, you're definitely going to want to get one of these. So purchase yours today because you can use them at home as well. Take care. Thanks for watching.